This is part 2 of solving start unknown problems. The second problem that we're going to do is a multi-step problem. So let's go ahead and read our problem first. Noah had some toy dinosaurs on his shelf. His grandma gave him 7 more dinosaurs for his collection. Later, he gave 3 dinosaurs to his little brother. Now, Noah has 14 dinosaurs on his shelf. How many dinosaurs did Noah have before his grandma gave him more? All right, this is a big problem, so we're going to chunk our problem and try to make it make sense before we do any type of problem solving. All right, so who is our story about? It's about Noah, so we're going to highlight that. And what are we trying to figure out? Toy dinosaurs. That's our unit. That's our label. His grandma gave him 7 more dinosaurs. So we know gave him, that means we're adding to how many dinosaurs he already has. Later, he gave 3 dinosaurs to his little brother. So he's giving away the 3 dinosaurs. And now Noah has 14 dinosaurs on his shelf. How many dinosaurs did Noah have before his grandma gave him more? All right. So do we know what our start is? No, we do not. We don't know our start. Okay, so but we do know the other parts. His grandma gave him 7 more dinosaurs. So that's going to be our change. That's one of our changes. Okay, gave him 7 more, so plus 7. Later, he gave 3 dinosaurs to his little brother. Okay, again, we have a change. And this is minus 3. We're subtracting, we're giving it away. Now Noah has 14 dinosaurs on his shelf. This is our result. This is our total. How many dinosaurs did Noah have before his grandma gave him more? So we don't know our start. Let's go ahead and set up our problem. We're going to go to visualize first. We have start, change, result. Okay, let's fill in the information we do know. So his grandma gave him 7 more dinosaurs. The first thing that's happening in our problem, so we're going to do plus 7. Later, he gave 3 dinosaurs away to his little brother. So we're subtracting 3, and it equals to 14 dinosaurs he now has on his shelf. So we don't know our start, so it's going to be a question mark. And that is our visualize. So now we're going to go to representation. Again, with our part whole. So let's fill in the information we do know. So we know our total, which is 14 total dinosaurs. Okay. Then, do we know our start? No, we don't. We don't know how much he started with. Okay. We know his grandma gave him 7 more. Can do grandma gave more. Okay. And then he gave 3 dinosaurs to little brother. Okay, so that is our strip diagram. The representation is done. Now we're going to answer statement. Okay, so our answer statement, we are going to repeat our questions. So we want to know blank dinosaurs Noah had, let's say at the start, at the beginning, same thing. Okay, blank dinosaurs Noah had at the start. Okay, our answer statement's done. Now we're going to go into plan. Okay, remember plan, you are repeating the visualize and the answer statement. Those are the two steps you're repeating. So we're going to do, we're going to just repeat the the visualize again first. So question mark plus 7 minus 3 equals 14, comma, question mark, dinosaurs, right? Because we're trying to find for how many dinosaurs he has in the beginning. Question mark, dinosaurs Noah had at the start. Plan is done. Simple. Then we're going to solve. Okay. This part's a little tricky because there's our number sentence right here, but we are going to have two different solves and two different justifies. 7 minus 3 first. 7 minus 3, which is 4. Okay. And then we're going to write our equation again. Question mark plus 4 equals 14. All right. We want to know, again, what is our question mark right here. And we know that we can't do 4 plus 14 because our result is 14. We want to know what our part is. So our part has to be less than 14. So we are going to do, again with the solve, we're going to do 14 minus 4, which is 10. Okay. We've got our solve. So I did standard algorithm for that. So that means for my justify, I'm going to do pictorial. These are my ones. Okay, I'm going to do 7 minus 3 first. So I have 7. Question mark. And I don't have anything in my tens place because 7 is a ones. I'm going to take 3 away from 7. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 left. I'm going to do another justify for my 14 minus 4. I'm showing my work. Okay. I have 1, 10, and 14, and 4 ones. Okay. I'm going to take 4 away from 4. That is 0, and bring down the 10. 10 dinosaurs. 10 dinosaurs Noah has. Dinosaurs Noah has had at the start.